How to create a date element with UNOY. Select page, select your page node, press add new element and select date. You can rename the date element by double clicking on its name. You can choose a format that you want your users to be able to choose from. And you can select the timestamps you want to allow. If you want to make the date selection optional, press optional. If you want to add a caption, press caption. If you want to add a placeholder, select placeholder. If you want to add a description, press description. Visible in result data is pre-select, and this means that the data your users put in this element will later be visible in your module's dashboard. Let's save and have a look at the element we created. So press preview, and here we can see the date field. So that's the caption, that's the description, and here we can now choose a date. Let's have a look at the advanced section. Press advanced to open the advanced section menu. Change the responsiveness according to the device your users are using. Add a style by using a class tag in CSS. Change the size of the date field. Add a default value. This could be the user's interaction or a custom date. Add a comment for your colleagues, or create a condition. Press condition, add a system variable, or reference a user's input. For example, the date your user put in. Select an operator and add another value. For example, a date or a system variable. That's it for the date element. If you want more tutorials, check out our YouTube channel or go to the help section at the UNOY app. Thank you.